Every day is a new day for us in Orion Edutech, and on each day we face new challenges. Just like how one fine morning we got a call from our dear student Aftab, and here's the rest.
Well, my name is Aftab and I'm 30 years old, and by profession I am a doctor and I am from South Kolkata. I passed up in 2018 from State University, and I did bachelor's in homeopathy, and I had a plan to do my master, so that's why I moved to Germany. Well, I have around 58% in bachelor's, and it's along with I have 1 year of certification in internship and 1 year of hostelsip. Well, like it was in 2020 when I was planned for the fulfil abroad, and then I took my IELTS classes in the month of January, and after that lockdown, and I cracked the IELTS with 6.5 bands in the August of 2020. My first preferred country was Canada, though I was rejected in 2022 in the month of May. And after that, I consulted with Mandarina, and she told me for application in Germany, and then I Canada visa application it was so tough. Like you had to submit a lot of documents, which is really tough for me or as well as for the other students. And though I managed all my documents, and after that I applied for the Canada visa, and it took around more than 3 months. And after that I got rejection. The outcome of Canada visa was wasted for me, not only money, it was also wasted my time, my precious time.
Yeah, because your visa got rejected, right?
Exactly. And I got the news that right now Canada visa took around 1 year, and even visa also took more than 1 year, I think 1.5 years. Well, I found Orion Edutech from Google, and then I talked to someone over phone, and after that we meet on a Sunday, I think it was. And then she told me the process and how to apply, what documents I need to submit, and then I did all the things exactly which she said, and after that I got finished. Well, after reject my visa from Canada, it was something pleasant for me, and though I completed my bachelor's in homeopathy, so it was difficult to get a master's course in abroad. So she suggested me to apply in the PhD, and then I applied, and its tuition fees it's also affordable for me. So it's a big help for me. Orion helped me in many ways, like to select my course, to select my college, to select my preferred countries, to how to manage my budget, and they also helped me to my visa application form as well. And they told me that you don't need to be worried and you don't have to pay anything. We will apply for you in the Germany and you will get the visa. And they did exactly the same thing.
Okay, thank you so much, Aftab, and a huge congratulations to you for your visa, and I hope you will do really well. Thank you so much. So this is how Aftab paved his path towards his success. Do you want to do the same? Contact us now.